Nathan has a biased five-sided spinner. Now, what we mean by biased is that all the probabilities will not be the same for each of the possible outcomes. So the spinner can land on a 1, 2, 3, or 5. The probability that the spinner will land on a 1, 3, and 5 is given in the table. So, given that the probability that the spinner will land on a 4 is twice the probability it will land on a 2, find the probability that the spinner lands on a 4. So if we make a copy of the table, and if we let the probability the number lands on a 2 will be equal to x, then the probability that the spinner will land on a 4 is going to be twice that probability, so that will be 2x. So the probability the number is equal to 4 is equal to 2x. Now, these probabilities must add up to 1. So the sum of the probabilities of a particular experiment add up to 1. And therefore we can form an equation. So we can say that 0.25 plus x plus 0.1 plus 2x plus 0.05 is going to be equal to 1. And therefore we've got x plus 2x, which is 3x, and we've got 0.25 plus 0.1 plus 0.05, which is plus 0.4, will be equal to 1. And therefore, subtracting 0.4 for both sides, we can say that 3x is equal to 0.6, and then dividing by 3, x is equal to 0.2. Now, the probability of getting a 4 is going to be twice that. So the probability the number is equal to 4 is equal to 2 times 0.2, which is going to be equal to 0.4. Now, Zara is going to spin the spinner 60 times. Estimate the number of times you should expect the spinner to land on a 2. So the probability the number is equal to 2 is equal to 0.2 from the table. And therefore, the estimated number of times, if you spin it 60 times, will be 60 times the probability that can happen, 60 times 0.2, which is going to be 12 times. So this has been a video to show you how to find probabilities on a table, and then how to find an expected number of times that a particular event might happen. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.